Good morning, class. How are you doing today? So last time we've been talking about different type of plastic. So can anybody tell me what plastic number is recyclable and which one is recyclable and reusable? So we got number 2, number 4, and number 5. Yes. How about number 1? What is the example of number 1 plastic? So we got water bottle. Yes, good example. So is that number 1 is recyclable? Yes, number 1 is the easiest one. And how about reusable? Is it safe to reuse? Not really. Okay. So today we're gonna talk about different lives of plastic. So have you ever wondered where do the plastic goes? Let's say when people we throw out trash every day and we throw out plastic every day, and then there's a trash man come to pick up, and then where do the trash goes? So yeah, they go to landfills. And what else? How about for those uh, bottles of plastic that we throw to the rivers, where do the river goes? The ocean. Yes, so a different type. And yeah, and then today we gonna find out where do they go, um, how's that gonna impact the environment. So you will listen to 3 different lives of plastic, and after after that you're gonna tell me which life is the best for us for the plastic. Right? Okay, back to the videos. So can anybody tell me which life is the best? Can we have a vote? So who say number 1? Who say number 2? And number 3? Yes. So number 3 is the best for us. And let's figure out why number 1 and number 2 are not so good. So we got number 1 and number 2 are damage to the environment. It produce bad chemicals. How about number 3? Yeah, number 3, it can be reused and it can turn into different types of things like clothes or other products. A lot of the time that we find it's very hard to hear a native speaker because they speak so fast. And yes, a lot of them speak very fast. Let's say, let me give you an example. Let's say instead of saying he is a man, the native speaker would say he's a man, she's a woman. So he's a and she's a. So it's not about. So today we're not talking about speak very fast because we don't trying to speak super fast. We speak at a normal speed so that everybody can hear. But we also learn to speak naturally. So linking sound make us speak a lot natural. So let's focus on the example that we have in here. The first sentence we got bottle 1 ends up in a landfill. This huge dam is spent each day as more trash comes in and continues to take up space. So we got so usually the most common linking sound occurs between the letter S at the end of the word, then the next word begin with a vowel. So we got ends up or comes in, or sometimes linking sound can occur when a consonant at the end of one word and then it runs into the start of the new word. Let's say we got take up, right? So take cup. Now I think I'll leave the space for you guys. So can you take a look at this sentence that we have in here? And then can you mark where you expect the linking sound to occur? And then after you finish, we'll listen and check. Okay, so pretty much you can now identify where's the linking sound. Alright, so come back to our lesson today again. So we've been discussing different life of plastic, and we learn how to recycle as well. We learn a different type, well, which is recyclable and which are not. So can you get in groups and then let's say I'll show you a picture. Are the examples of plastic recycle. So can you make a list of some products do you think that recycled plastic can turn into? Let's say we use a lot of water bottle. So in here, so they use it to plant trees. So what else? What are the other option that the other option that you can use? Okay, so this is your favorite part, homework. So at home, can you find 10 items that made of plastic? And then can you list the ways to help reduce the plastic pollution? For example, so we got nylon bag. Where do we got a nylon bag from? From the market, yes. And how to reduce taking nylon bag from the market? Bring our own bag, yes. So that is one of the options. What else can you do? So let's say, so we've been discussing plastic bottles we can use to plant trees, and plastic spoon we can learn to use to make a lamp with it, yeah, using our creativity, and then you just do some exercise with that. So yeah, uh, so be creative with what you have, and then yes, we'll talk about that in class next time. Thank you. Have a nice day.